Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Studying alone can get boring, right? Let's make it fun. Here's how you can use Study Bunny with your friends. First of all, open the Study Bunny app. It's free on Android and iOS. Create your bunny and set your study goals. Now, while Study Bunny doesn't have a built-in friends list, you can still study together. Create a shared group chat on Discord, WhatsApp, or Telegram and post screenshots of your timers, coin count, and status. Set group goals like 1 hour a day and reward each other. You can even rate to unlock cute items for your business. Use the in-app music to focus and don't forget the to-do list to keep track together. Studying doesn't have to be a lonely. Studying doesn't have to be lonely. Team up, stay focused, and make your bunny proud. Like and share if you are starting a study group. Thanks for watching.